Recovering your GCash MPIN, a step-by-step guide.
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem for GCash users. What to do when you forget your 4-digit MPIN. Don't worry, it's a simple process and we'll guide you through it step by step.
What is the GCash MPIN?
The GCash MPIN is a 4-digit code that you use to authorize all your GCash transactions. It's like your personal password to ensure that only you can access your account. It's important to keep this number secure and to remember it, but don't panic if you forget, there are ways to retrieve it.
How to recover your MPIN.
If you've forgotten your MPIN, you can reset it through the GCash app or via SMS. Using the GCash app, 1. Open your GCash app and enter your mobile number. 2. Click on Forgot MPIN at the bottom of the screen. 3. You will receive a 6-digit authentication code through an SMS. Input this on the app. 4. You can now enter a new MPIN. Using SMS, 1. Dial 143# on your phone. 2. Navigate through the options. GCash > account, forgot MPIN. You will receive a temporary MPIN via SMS. 3. Change this temporary MPIN by dialing *143#, selecting GCash > account > change MPIN.
Tips to avoid forgetting your MPIN.
While resetting your MPIN is simple, it's always better to avoid the hassle altogether. Here are a few tips to remember your MPIN. Make it memorable. Choose a number combination that is significant to you. Avoid obvious combinations. This includes things like 1234 or your birth date. Don't write it down. It might be tempting, but writing your MPIN down can lead to it being stolen. That's all there is to it. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll never be stuck unable to access your GCash account again. Always keep your MPIN safe and memorable, and remember that you can reset it easily if needed. Thanks for watching.